Little storyteller.
Leo loved Saturdays. He loved playing with his fluffy bunny, Pip. But one Saturday, something felt different. He and Pip were walking past his school. The big red brick walls looked sad. Leo thought he heard a tiny sigh, like someone very tired. "Did you hear that, Pip?" he whispered. Pip wiggled his nose. The school felt empty and quiet. Leo imagined the colorful classrooms, without any children laughing or learning. He thought about the playground swings, standing still, and the basketball hoop all alone. "I think," Leo said to Pip, "the school misses us. It misses all the noise and fun." Pip hopped excitedly. Leo had a great idea. The next day was Sunday. Leo asked his friends, Lily and Tom, to meet him at school. Lily had bright pink shoes and a smile as sunny as the day. Tom brought his blue bouncy ball. Leo explained his plan. "Let's have a weekend noisy fun days for the school." Lily clapped her hands, and Tom bounced his ball even higher. They played tag on the playground. Lily's pink shoes flashed as she ran, and Tom's laughter echoed around the empty space. Even the swings seemed to sway a little, happy to have some movement. Inside the gym, their footsteps made happy sounds on the shiny wooden floor. Tom threw his bouncy ball against the wall, and it went bowing, 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 bowing. Lily did cartwheels, her smile wide. Leo even brought his little toy piano. He played a simple, cheerful tune. The notes bounced off the walls and filled the quiet hallways with happy sounds. As the sun began to set, painting the sky in warm colors, Leo, Lily, and Tom sat on the school steps, tired but happy. The school didn't feel sad anymore. It felt warm and full of the happy echoes of their fun. "You know," Leo said, "even buildings like to have fun and be with friends." Lily nodded. "Just like us," added Tom, bouncing his ball softly. "It's good to remember that everyone, even a school building, feels happier when it's not lonely. And sometimes, a little bit of noise and laughter can make a big difference."
Please subscribe. Thank you.